Welcome to the Astro. In this DS9 tutorial on astronomical image processing and analysis, we will be learning that how to draw aperture around the source and how to measure the flux in that aperture. So here we will be aperture shape like a circle, ellipse, rectangular shape of aperture. Okay. So let's do it. So in order to do that, first I have opened the interface of DS9 software, and then I will upload a fits image. Okay, in that. So let me open the fits image here. The fits image here, and then go to your scale, and you update the scale. So here you can see your objects. You can also make it color. So let's just make it only gray, right? So this is how my image looks like. Okay, and then we can go the zoom fit if you want, or make bigger image. So now our objective is to find the flux inside this galaxy or the star in this image. Okay, so what I will do for doing that, I will go to the edit section, right, and choose here region or control R. Alternatively, you can do choose the region and then go to the region part, go to the shape, and here you can see that we have circle, ellipse, box, and polygon shape of aperture. So for time being, I'll choose the circle one, simplest one. Then you can customize. So choose the circle. So just take your mouse and drag it. So here you can see that aperture, right? Now click on the in the middle of the aperture. So you'll get a dialog box here, and you can see so many properties are here, right? So you can go to here. You can go to here. See, you can see there is like a center. So this is in like a coordinate system of like hour, minute, second, and the deck is in a degree, minute, and seconds. Okay, so you can choose to the image system. So now image contains the center of the circle as 490 and 346 in x and y. Similarly, you can also change the radius of the circle from degree to the image. Okay, the number of pixels. Okay, so you can make it say 100 pixels, right? This is, and you can also like now drag this aperture. Okay, so I will put this aperture here, and you can also give the color of this aperture. So make it red, right? And you can also like make it full color. So I will just put it only its peripheral, and then you can also control the width of this circle. Okay, so let's make it 4. Then you can give it text. Okay, so you can also give the text if you want here. So for text you can write here circular aperture. Okay, circular aperture, and click on that, and you can also like control the font size. So you got here a font size. Okay, this is my circular aperture. All right, now what I will do, I will measure its flux inside this aperture. So just click on the analysis part, okay, and go to stats part, and here you can see that there's so many information. So let's make it bigger. Okay, so here you can see that at the center of this image, right, and we have the region 1. So this is my sum is my flux. Okay, so flux value is this one. This is error in the flux measurement. So this is the square root of this value. This is the pixel area. This is the flux, and this is the like a flux per unit area. This is the corresponding error. Okay, and here you can see that you have number of pixels in pixels, mean, median, mean, and other stuff. Right now, uh, now you can do some interesting stuff. So like if you move this aperture, okay, from here to there, you can see the flux in the aperture is changing. Okay, you can see inside this galaxy region flux is maximum, and when we are going outward where there is no source, flux is getting reduced. Okay, so you can also move this aperture randomly, and you can do the stuff, right? So and now you can also like go to this histogram. Okay, so you can see this histogram like in this like how your uh, pixels are distributed in that flux. Okay, so you can also give the title and all the stuff. So I'm just doing a simple one, right? So in same way, no, you can also like make multiple apertures. Okay, or or else like you can also draw from this region. Say I want to draw say ellipse, right? So this is my ellipse, right? And you can also give its parameter. Say you have center, right? You have center here, and then here you have your radius. I mean same measure and same measure and same minor axis, and you have here angle 0. Okay, so make it 45. So it will just rotate. Okay, this aperture, right? Now you can also make a rectangular aperture. So let me draw a box, and here is my rectangular aperture. Okay, so click on the box, and then uh, you can do other stuff. Okay, and just like clicking on that dialog, you can draw the flux value measured inside that. Okay, so if you like click here, so you get the flux here, right? In the same way, by clicking this or this aperture, you will get stuff. So this is how the flux is measured inside the aperture. Okay, so aperture may have any shape: circular, elliptical, rectangular, or it may have like a polygon. So just try a polygon. What is it is doing? So see, you can like make multiple image. Okay, so just by dragging that, you can make any shape. Okay, random shape instead of polygon, right? So see, this is my simple uh, this is my simple polygon aperture. Okay, and you can make you can also like measure flux inside that. Okay, so you can, if you go to image, you can see its center, and you can also like rotate on different angles. So This is how you can rotate, and you can drag it, so you can measure flux in that, right? So this is how we can draw different type of apertures like circular, elliptical, rectangular, and polygon shape, and then we can measure flux in that aperture using analysis part and going into the stats section. So this is how my flux value is given. Okay, so I hope you got the idea that how to draw aperture and how to measure a flux in that aperture. So thank you.